What's going on, everyone? So I'm here again to share with you my weekly watch list from what I'll be looking at this week. Thank you guys for your love. Thank you for your support. We've actually hit 500 subscribers. I'm so grateful to all my subscribers. Thank you for your love. Keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out, and remember to share so that we can help more people. All right. So now I'm looking at Euro AUD. So I'm here to actually show you my weekly watch list, what I'll be looking at. So Euro AUD is the next pair I am actually looking at. And as you can see, Euro AUD, we actually had this sort of like an arc nature like this, almost look like a cup and a what? A cup and a handle. Maybe it might actually give us that before we move to the upside. But anyway, you have to go to lower time frames to see what is going on. And there's another thing you can see is that the market has actually been quite corrective to the upside. And also we are coming from a what? We are coming from an impulse move correction. This could be a bigger correction before, this is a smaller correction, then an expanded correction before we actually now get this move to the downside. So if you look at that, we actually had our touches here. We had our first touch, we had our second touch here, and then we had almost like 4 touches over here. So now let's look at this, zoom further in on the 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we had this level over here. The market kept keep pushing to the upside, and as you can see here, actually last night this market was somewhere around here. You can see there's actually a rejection on the 4-hour candles and the 4-hour time frame. So you see that we've been correcting, we've been actually quite corrective to the upside. So you see that the market has actually given us that structure. We can actually go further down to the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see we actually broke out of this. Yeah. Then we are actually now like almost quite corrective to the downside. So we want to see how this market actually behaves on lower time frame, and look for entries. But you can see that it's trying to come back up. Okay, trying to come back up. So maybe if you want more confirmation, you can actually wait for it to break, maybe give you a correction before you can be interested in sell. However, you can see that this market will easily come back to this level over here, but actually come back here before maybe give us you can see there was a double top here, maybe give us a triple top before it moves to the downside. So remember, you have to cater for the probable and the possible. Another thing we are looking at here is this. Look at that. There's this structure. There's these ones, but there's this structure that is actually forming over there. You can see that. Yeah, you can see. So it could actually do this, yeah, then break out and start moving to the upside. So we have to cater for all these things. And we actually be observant to see how the market behaves. All right. Yeah. Remember, we are supposed to react to the market. We're not supposed to determine the direction and be fixated on our directions. Like, the market has to really go according to our plan or according to what we are doing. We have to react to whatever the market is, the information that the market is giving to us. So we can pull this back a little bit like that. Okay. Then now we are actually watching this structure over here, because this market could actually just break out and come to this level over here, maybe before we see a sell like that. So we'll be observing Euro AUD to see what actually it gives to us. So the next pair is GJ. Beautiful. So if you look at the higher time frame, GJ has been quite corrective to the upside. You can see actually been on an upward trend for quite some time now. Then also here has given us this structure over here. So yeah, let's give another structure over there. So I think you can still, let's go to 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I drew this structure over here because you had a touch here, the market kept respecting that level anytime it got there. Then also to the upside we have this, then also inside here we have this structure here that, you know, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. You see that the market has actually broken out. So you can see that we have what we call trends inside trends. Okay, we have a trend inside another trend like that. So you see that there was rejection here, the market kept hitting here. You can see a pin bar here, and then the market moved to the upside. So this market will actually be forming a flag before it continues going to the upside. That is one of the ways. Or this market will actually easily come back to this level over here. Because of this level over here, then move to the upside. So I'll be watching this GJ to see and to look for opportunities to trade it this week. Okay, so let's look at NZDCAD. Beautiful NZDCAD. If we go to the daily time frame, you can see that we've actually been corrective. Let me put a weekly. Sometimes it's always good to go all the way to the weekly time frame to see what has been happening on the weekly time frame. So remember, we were actually looking for this market to come all the way to this low because we've been actually on a downtrend, and you can see the market came all the way. You can see the market came all the way and touched that level, and now it's been quite corrective to the upside. So I'm watching to see if this market could actually go all the way to this level, because also another thing you see here is we actually broke out of this descending structure like that. So there are two options: it could continue or come back, give us a double bottom before it does what? Before it actually moves to the upside. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see we had this structure, an ascending structure over here, and you can see also inside here, you can see that we have a massive rejection there on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, have that, and also you can see that we've been correcting to the upside, and there's a rejection here. This market will actually sell to that level, and maybe it's giving us this. Let me show you. This market is actually also giving us another structure over here. Maybe it's giving us this structure over here. As you can see, we're actually on an ascending structure over there. So look at that. We could have maximized this move here, up here. We missed it, but no problem. There's still other opportunities in the market. You don't have to kill yourself for that, because look, there's a rejection here, and you see we could have actually entered here. We'll place our sell stop of pips, maybe up to this level, 29 pips, up this level around 56 pips. So maybe we can just wait to see what happens once this get here. We can just fine tune this and look for entry. So this could actually be what? Let me take out this. Okay, so this could actually be. Okay, sorry for that. So this could actually be an impulse move, correction, then continuation. Okay, but for now, look, we have 1, 2, 3 touches. We have a rejection over there. This market will actually do what? Will actually come all the way to this level, maybe perhaps before we see it move to the upside. So we'll still be watching out to see what happens to this market. Yes, and then we can look for opportunity to do what? Opportunity to trade it. Okay, so let's look at our next pair, which is USDCAD. Oh wow, this is quite interesting. I was looking at this market last night, and I was actually looking for buying opportunity. We're actually coming from a double bottom. I was looking for buying opportunities to the upside. All right. Oh man. All right. It's actually gone without us, but no problem. And see it. I did this thing last night, and as you can see, it's really broken out and did a retest, and now it's moving to the upside. No problem. There are still multiple. You can still get multiple entries. Yeah, right now there's no point to chase the market. You can just wait for the market to come to us, and yeah, see how it behaves. So this one will just keep observing to see how it behaves, because entering now, I don't think it's you just be chasing it for nothing. You can easily enter your buys now and then it just reverses immediately. So let's see how it actually behaves. Let's keep observing this and see how it behaves. But I was actually looking for buying opportunities to this level over here, and maybe to break out this level all the way up here. Our second last is NASDAQ, and as you can see, beautiful one, beautiful setup. We came all the way to this level, not been able to break. Now we are moving to the downside. This one I'm actually looking for selling opportunities all the way. And also remember, we have to fill in this gap over here. So that is a massive selling opportunity on NAS 100. Okay, so that is what I'm looking at on NAS 100. And then finally, we're looking at gold. This is a trade that we were trading last week. Look, I was actually anticipating for this thing to break out. As you can see, it's broken out. So I'm actually looking for this thing to come all the way to this level over here. If you look at the higher time frame bias, it's actually an impulse move correction continuation. I mean breakout. So it will actually come all the way to the downside over here, maybe perhaps to confirm and give us our third touch before now we start looking for buying opportunities to the upside. So that is what I'll be looking at on gold. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking at on gold. This trade, we entered it here last week, just that we closed our trades on Friday, but we are actually on sales on this trade. As you can see, it's actually continuing because we came from this structure over here. If I bring this down here, I mean this was caused by news. You can see that we had our multi-touch confirmation. We have 1, 2, and 3, and then we started correcting to the downside. We broke out of this level correctively, then broke out. Then now we're having our second leg of flag, maybe to complete this setup to the downside. So let me know on the comment section, guys, what you think. What are you looking at? What are your anticipation for this week? What's your watch list like? And I'll be so happy. Write your name and where you're watching from in the comment section, and I'll be happy to read and to connect with all of you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember to like and to subscribe. Remember to turn on the notification bells so that you don't miss. Remember to share. The target is to reach now 1,000 subscribers. We are halfway, and I believe that we can reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.